Hello iPhone users, in this video I will show you that there is a feature called mic mode which is going to help you to isolate the voice when you are on a call, right? For this you have to open phone option, right? And you have to call someone, you have to make a call, and then you have to slide it down from the right hand side where you will get these options on your screen, right? The options will not be visible from here. Firstly you have to go on this home screen, right? When you go there you will slide down and you will see option of mic mode. When you tap on it you have three options: standard, the usual one in which all the voices will be audible to the person. In the voice isolation, some cancellation of extra noise will be deducted, right? So it will happen. Then there is wide spectrum, which actually captures more surrounding sounds like group calls, etc., right? Basically it helps to choose how iPhone uses mic, standard, voice isolation, or wide spectrum, right? See you in the next video. Till then, use this feature and let me know if it is useful or not. Ta-da!